was excited to go to Chengdu because the Sichuan province is known for its spicy food. And since the weather was a little bit gloomy on the first day, I decided to just ride around the city and eat as much as I could.
I'm going to die.
Roadside fish.
One thing I love about China is that they do not care if they have stores that are identical to each other, like 4 buildings away. So it's pretty much like a 7-Eleven next to a 7-Eleven.
The next morning, the weather was better, so I walked around the city and then visited People's Park. There were groups of people dancing throughout the park, which was pretty normal by now, but there was also groups of people singing with bands. I don't know if it was some special thing happening, or if this is what normally happens here, but you'll see.
Is that the rabbit eye?
Do you eat that?
I don't know. I don't even know is that a rabbit eye or only
That
bones.
is its eye. It's like the eyeball.
Oh Jesus Christ!
Taste it. It's quite a thin brain actually.
Tastes great. That is nasty.
I thought it would be a bit thicker, the brain, the skull.
The skull.
Really easy to
So
break.
easy to just crush that rabbit's skull and suck its brains out of its head.
Oh, I missed an eye. It's about to put
Hey,
it
you
down.
only ate one eye.
I only ate one eye. Where is this? Almost done.
The following morning, I decided to visit cute animals that were not having their heads eaten by humans. So I went to the Chengdu Panda Base. This is one of the top attractions in Chengdu, and it's a great place to see pandas when you're in China. Okay, so this region of China, and actually most of China I've been in, is just known for spicy food. Like the Chinese food that we have back in the States is like nothing compared to the food that they have out here, obviously. But it's all known for spice. And I've had some hot stuff, but none of it has been like unbearably hot. And I told them to make that shit hot, because I haven't had hot food yet. And they're like, oh, well, because you're a foreigner. And I'm like, look, I've eaten with all Chinese. I've had what they had, and I'm out spicing them. So make this shit hot. So she said, okay, I'll put in a special order for making your shit extra hot. So we'll see how this tastes. Not hot. unimpressed. There's like a bit of a bite to it. One of the least hot things I've had. This, even in its blood red sauce, ain't shit, son. Later that evening, I booked a 3-day tour up north to the Jusaigo National Park. I was already leaving Chengdu, but I'd be back after I visited Jusaigo. I was ready to leave the city and witness some amazing nature. To be continued, Chengdu.